Right, let's look at making and linking pages. We're making this website here. It's got a home, a gallery and a contact page, and at the moment we've only just got a home page, and we're going to need to make these two and then link them all together. When you click on this, it goes to the home, this one to the gallery and this to the contact. The link section on each one is going to be the same. Right, so let's get it all out at the start. To make a new page, you're just going to copy one. That's going to be easy. And links to new page, you're going to use the href. Remember, we used this to go to any, copy and paste the address of any page on the web when we did the Codecademy site. So you can make your link jump to any web page at all by copying and pasting any web address here. But remember, our page is running inside this folder. It's not on the web. So eventually it's going to just look like this. We're going to have our images folder. There's our index page, a gallery and a contacts page. Now because they are sitting next to each other, you just need to write the file name in there. It doesn't need to jump into any folder. When you wanted to jump into the images folder, you had to write images / on this one, because it's right beside it, you just write the file name. Don't forget the .html. Alright, let's have a look at that. Right, here's my web page folder, there's my index page. So we go right click, copy, right click, paste. That wasn't very difficult. Rename it. Right click, rename, and the first one is going to be gallery. Now the problem is the gallery page is going to look exactly the same as the index page. So straight away I need to edit with Notepad++, and I am going to change it. I'm going to say this one to I'm going to change that from band website to gallery, and I'm going to make sure that the content on the page is different. So I'm going to take out all that content there, and just inside the body say this is the gallery, oops, spell it properly, gallery page. Right, Control S that. Let's just check that that's working. Double click the gallery page now and you should see it open like that. There we go. So here is my code for the gallery page, and there it is. So I'm just going to close that for now and then go back to my index page, which is here. So what I need to do now is turn this thing here, so when I click on my home, it goes to home. When I click on gallery, it goes to gallery. Contact goes to contact. I haven't made the contact page yet, but you know how to do that now. So let's go turn this thing here into this text here into a link, and if you know how to do that, go away and do that now. So pause the video, go away and make the home page into this one here, sorry, link to the index page. Make this one here link to the gallery page. Alright, hopefully you've had a go at that. Let's have a look at the tag. So A, the link tag, href, where it's going, and here is the file name of the index page, index.html. This is the text that the user is going to click on. Let's see if that works. You can see now that this has been turned into a link. It's changed color and it's underlined, and when I hover over it, it gives me the finger, which tells me it's a link. When I click on it, nothing happens, of course, it just reloads the page, but you could see it reload, it flashed. It's doing what it should do. So now let's try and do the gallery. Try and link this one to make it go to the gallery. The code's much the same. Look, href equals, but we don't want index this time. We want to change that to gallery, because the file inside the folder that we want to link to is called gallery, so we have to spell that exactly and use the .html file extension at the end of it. Control S and refresh the page, and we now see that that's a gallery link. Cross your fingers and it goes to the gallery page. Fantastic. We have to use the browser button to go back until we put the links on the gallery page as well. So now the job is to go and make the contact page, add the contact link, and then copy and paste this link section onto each and every page. Pause the video, go away and do that. Right, so here's my link section done. I'm in the index page. Get it working properly on one page before you try and copy and paste it across. So let me just check this, the gallery. Yep, that works. Click on the contact. Yes, that goes to the contact page which I've just made. Go back. Now I can copy and paste this whole links section and the banner as well. Copy that onto the top of each page. Make sure you get it into the gallery, inside the body there. Control V, Control S, just inside the body there. Get rid of all of that. Control V and Control S. So now let's see what we've got. We've got a home page, a gallery page with its banner and contact links that work, and I can jump between the three pages like that. Fantastic. Two more things just before we go. You might have gone, oh, I don't really like that underlining, and I don't like the color that it's made it look ugly. So we can fix that in two ways. Let's have a look what we've done on the index page here. So we've spaced the links out, we've made them grey, and there's a hover effect over them now. The spaces come from this. Use this to make spaces between the link, the little ampersand NBSP semicolon. I've stuck 2 in, and it's made those 2 spaces here. To get the grey colour and the hover, I have styled them. I didn't want to do it inside each link because then I have to copy and paste it into every single link. I've done it in my style section. So I've done A, text decoration to none, that gets rid of the underline, and the colour grey. A, semicolon hover, and then colour black. So that turns it black when I hover over it. Alright, look forward to seeing your styly link sections and your 3 pages linked together.